In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and create ticket designs using Canva on your PC. Canva is a fantastic online design platform that simplifies the process of creating professional designs, even for beginners. It's perfect for various creative projects, from social media graphics to event invitations. And in this tutorial, we'll focus specifically on designing tickets, a common requirement for events and promotions. Let's dive right into it by starting with the basics. First, you'll want to open Canva and log into your account. If you don't have one, it's easy and free to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll see the homepage with an array of project options. In the search bar at the top, type tickets and hit enter. This will bring up a selection of ticket templates that you can choose from. These templates provide a perfect starting point, as they are not only pre-designed but also customizable to fit your needs. Scroll through the list of ticket templates until you find one that matches the style you're aiming for. Canva offers a wide variety of themes and designs, so take your time to choose a template that best represents your event or concept. Once you've made your selection, just click on it to open the design. Now that the template is open in your Canva workspace, you'll notice a Customize this template button. Go ahead and click this to enter the editing mode. This is where the magic happens. You can customize every part of the ticket to match your specific requirements. Start by editing the text on the ticket. Simply click on any text box to start typing. You'll want to replace the placeholder text with specific details of your event, such as name, date, time, location, and any other information relevant to attendees. Make sure the text is clear and easy to read. Canva offers various font styles, sizes, and colors, so play around with these options until the text stands out well against the background. Beyond the text, you can also change other elements such as colors, styles, and images. Perhaps you want to add a company logo or a specific image related to the event. You can upload images directly, drag them onto your template, and adjust them to fit perfectly. Once you're happy with your design, it's important to review it for any errors or areas that might need tweaks. When everything looks perfect, you can download the design. Canva provides options to download in different formats such as PDF and PNG, depending on how you plan to use or print your tickets. There you have it, a quick and easy way to design tickets using Canva on your PC. It's a straightforward process, but the result can look highly professional and polished, ensuring your event makes a great first impression. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.